watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, and welcome back to our channel. As fall arrived, it's time to think about how to update your home decor to reflect the cozy and colorful spirit of the season. Today, we're diving into the top 20 must-have fall decor trends for 2024 that will help you transform your home into a warm, inviting space. Let's explore these exciting ideas. Layered textures with throw blankets. One of the easiest ways to bring a touch of fall into your home is by layering textures with cozy throw blankets. Look for rich materials like chunky knits, faux fur, and wool in warm colors like mustard, rust, and deep plum. Nature-inspired wreaths. This year, wreaths are all about incorporating natural elements like dried flowers, eucalyptus, and seasonal fruits. Hang them on your front door or inside your home for a welcoming touch that's both rustic and chic. Velvet pumpkins. Velvet pumpkins are trending for 2024, offering a luxurious twist on traditional fall decor. Mix and match different sizes and colors for a display that adds softness and elegance to any room. Candles and autumn scents. Nothing says fall like the warm glow of candles with scents like pumpkin spice, cinnamon, and vanilla. Arrange them in clusters on your coffee table, mantle, or dining table to create a cozy atmosphere. Plaid and checkered patterns. Incorporate plaid and checkered patterns in your decor through throw pillows, blankets, or table linens. These classic patterns are a staple for fall and add a traditional, homey feel to any space. Pumpkin centerpieces. Create beautiful centerpieces using real or faux pumpkins, complemented by seasonal flowers and greenery. Place them on your dining table or mantle to bring the essence of fall indoors. Antique farmhouse accents. Vintage and farmhouse accents continue to be popular this fall. Think old wooden crates, galvanized metal buckets, and antique lanterns. These items add character and a touch of nostalgia to your decor. Earth-toned rugs. Swap out your regular rugs for ones in earthy tones like terracotta, olive green, and burnt orange. This simple change can ground your space and give it an instant autumn update. Dried flower arrangements. Dried flowers are perfect for fall as they bring a natural, rustic charm to your decor. Arrange them in vases or use them to create garlands for a subtle yet stylish seasonal touch. Fall-themed wall art. Update your wall art with fall-themed prints or canvases featuring autumn leaves, pumpkins, or woodland scenes. This is a great way to refresh your space without making permanent changes. Rustic wooden signs. Wooden signs with fall phrases like "Hello Fall" or "Gather Together" are a simple and affordable way to decorate for the season. They add a cozy, inviting touch to your entryway or living room. Harvest tablescapes. Create a stunning harvest tablescape with a mix of pumpkins, gourds, candles, and natural elements like pine cones and leaves. This setup is perfect for dinner parties or Thanksgiving. Wicker baskets with blankets and pillows. Use wicker baskets to store extra blankets and pillows in fall colors and textures. Not only are they functional, but they also add a rustic element to your decor. Metallic accents. This fall, metallic accents like copper, bronze, and gold are making a comeback. Use them in candle holders, picture frames, or decorative bowls to add a bit of sparkle to your home. Seasonal throw pillows. Swap out your everyday throw pillows for ones that feature fall colors or motifs. This is an easy way to update your decor without a lot of effort or expense. Gourd and pumpkin arrangements. Arrange a variety of gourds and pumpkins in different shapes and colors on your porch or entryway to greet guests with a festive fall vibe. Layered table runners. Use layered table runners in different textures and colors to add depth and interest to your dining table. Combine burlap with lace or linen with cotton for a unique layered look. Birch log accents. Birch logs add a natural woodland touch to your decor. Use them in a fireplace display or as a base for candle arrangements on your mantel. Seasonal book stacks. Stack a few books with fall-themed covers or colors on a side table or bookshelf for a subtle nod to the season. Top with a small pumpkin or candle for added charm. Festive outdoor displays. Don't forget about your outdoor spaces. Create a festive display with hay bales, corn stalks, and a variety of pumpkins and gourds to welcome fall with open arms. We hope you found some inspiration in these ideas to refresh your space. Remember, decorating for fall doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the smallest touches can make the biggest impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest decorating tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.